My pathway is communication arts, and the name of my discovery group is Movie Makers. We are currently working on making short films and videos that are student-driven. They made their own characters, settings, and plots, and we're recording them and then using apps on their iPads to edit and enhance these videos.
In this discovery group, we learned how to put sound effects and music and how to post.
With Movie Makers, students have the opportunity to blend technology with the creative arts. And so through collaboration, they've been discovering their own passions and bring out their own interests. And by merging them together, they're setting a foundation for what their future might look like in middle school and high school when it comes to different projects and utilizing technology to propel their learning.
Now we get to make a lot of freedom of it, doing any movie we want. We gotta make fun movies